Well, I'd like to ask you about the Association of Women Lawyers of Greater Kansas City in particular. Why are you involved in that group?
Well, historically, there's not many women lawyers. And this organization was started and developed to support women in our profession, try to get more women involved in our profession, try to get them leadership roles, try to get them on the bench. Because, Kansas City is made up of men and women, and the lawyers and the judges that represent Jackson County and Missouri should be both men and women, and historically that has not been the case.
Yep, absolutely. Well, what made you decide to serve on the Board of Governors of the Missouri Association of Trial Attorneys?
That organization is instrumental in helping my clients make sure they have their day in court. They have an amazing leadership. They lobby in Jefferson City, which is our capital. They make sure that the bills that are being entertained at the legislature are ones that are helpful to our clients and their claims and don't restrict their day in court. And serving on that board, we have input into those issues. We get to hear other people's struggles and ideas for the practice of law, and we're there to make sure that when you are injured in Missouri, there is a remedy, and to make sure that other people don't try to take away those remedies.
Absolutely. Well, lastly, let me ask you about the Rainbow Center. I know you've been very active with that organization. What is the Rainbow Center?
The Rainbow Center is a nonprofit organization. It's located in Blue Springs, Missouri, which is really close to my office and where I live in Lee Summit. And they serve adults and children with developmental disabilities, communicative disorders like autism, cerebral palsy, that sort of thing. This organization is another great organization. Their leadership is fantastic. And basically for parents with children who have these disorders that keep them from attending mainstream public school, the Rainbow Center is a place that the kids can go and get an academic education.
Wow.
And it's really a last resort for the types of kiddos that can't go to school every day. And if the kids can't go to school, the parents can't go to work. And ultimately that costs, our city and our state and taxpayer dollars.
Yeah.
And this community or this organization has been a great asset to our community for many years. It was started in 1973 out of one woman's home. And they asked me to join their board and help, be a support and a fundraising source. And I've been thrilled. This is a new position for me. I just began in March of 2015, and it's been a great experience.
Wow. Fantastic. There are so many ways to serve, and you do a lot of them. I saw your bio. That's just 3. For our viewers, there's probably another 15 ways that Brianne is serving her community. Well, Brianne, thank you so much for joining us today.
Thank you very much for having me.
You bet.
Thanks for watching. Send your questions or comments to Michael at mike@howdavidbeatsgoliath.com.